The man-made hurricane Melissa has cost $25 billion. What is this? A back-to-back hurricane we get. Beryl last year cost a little over $1 billion because 15 was granted from China, 7 from Korea, 2.5 million from US, Cayman 1 million, and UK some other place a little over $1 billion. I remember Beryl devastated the entire 14 parish of Jamaica. But the man-made Melissa has only touched the Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, and over Trelawney, Mobay. We feel it for them, especially St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. Devastating catastrophe. You see the evil. Look at it. $150 million from the US instantly. Was this not a plan? 2.5 million pounds from UK. Was this not a plan? Back to back. Never in the history of the world a back-to-back hurricane has struck any country. And so much money donated instantly. We need an answer, and we are waiting.